Welcome to our channel App Tutorial, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram link in bio not working. So let's say you posted a link on your Instagram bio but it's just not like clickable, or like even if you click it, it does not load, or like it does not work. Because for a link to work, when you click it, it should take you to the website or the place where the link is linked to. Alright, so there's a couple of things that could cause this problem, so let me show you guys how you guys can fix it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First thing first, make sure the link you entered over here is correct, because sometimes you enter the mistake link, which means like, you know, it's going to take you to a wrong page, and if nothing exists for that link, whenever you click it, it's going to not take you anywhere, because that link actually does not exist. For a link to work, it actually needs to have a site or a place for you to take. But if you type in a wrong link, there's no place for the link to take you. That means it's not going to work. So in that case, you can just come on your profile, click on edit profile, and over here where it says links, click on it and make sure you enter a correct link over here. Alright, so my link is like, you know, correct, so I don't have to worry, but you need to enter a correct link. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, it could also be caused due to bugs. In that case, you just need to delete your Instagram app. Just delete the app, reinstall it again. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. And even after deleting and reinstalling your Instagram and entering a correct link, if it still doesn't work, report this problem. To report this problem, come to your Instagram profile, click on the three line at the top, go on settings, where it says help, click on help, and where it says report a problem, you have to click on report a problem, and at the bottom report problem without shaking, click on it, click on don't include, and over here explain your problem. Just write, hey, I tried to enter a link on my Instagram bio but the link is not working, can you help me fix it? And click on send at the top. Once this report is sent, Instagram staff will contact you and help you fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.